Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart English Conversation Podcast. I am Alex. If you want to learn English in the easy and fun way, in this channel you can learn every day a grammar and conversation because every day we put a new video class podcast.
Hi, I am Jessica. We are so happy you are here. If you have any doubts about grammar English, please put your doubt in the comments below.
Today, we'll learn about our topic class number 2, present continuous tense. Yes, the present continuous.
What is it? It is I am doing. It shows actions happening now, or actions not finished yet.
Great. This is easy when you learn the rule. How to use present continuous. You never forget how to make correct sentence in English. We will learn step by step. Slow and fun.
Yes. For intermediate students, it can be very confusing to understand many grammar rules, but if they study hard and practice every day, they'll get it. Short sentences, simple words, and never forget that for the present continuous, we need to add ing to verbs.
My biggest difficulty is to understand a lot of rules about the present continuous. But today, no problem.
Listen to us. Repeat with us. You will love it.
Okay, friends. Do this now before we start. Like this podcast. Share with a friend. Subscribe for more easy English.
Yes. Hit subscribe. Say, I like present continuous. Good lesson.
Let's start. Are you ready?
Lesson 1. First rule, we use the present continuous for actions happening right now.
Okay. Present continuous for actions happening now. Form am is are plus verb plus ing. Example, I am eating. Repeat slow I am, eat ing.
Listen. Another example of use present continuous. You are listening to this podcast right now. Yes, you are listening. So you are make the action now. So you need to use present continuous for the sentence.
Repeat after me. I am eating. Good job.
Repeat. She is running. Great.
Jessica, what are you doing now?
I am talking to you. Haha. And I am drinking water.
Good. Students, what are you doing now? Pause. Think. Say it. Make a sentence using the present continuous. Example, I am sitting.
My biggest difficulty is to understand a lot of rules about the present continuous. But with this great lesson, it became easy. AMD, I'll practice more.
Listen again. I am eating. You are listening.
She's running. Repeat.
Let's practice more. Please say the sentence 3 times. I am learning English now.
Good job. You are a star. You are a smart.
Lesson 2. The another rule to use the present continuous. In the middle of doing something but not finished yet.
Great. Let's see how it is work. Now, present continuous for actions in the middle. You started but not finished yet. Example, I am reading a book. Not finished yet.
Listen. We are cooking dinner. It is in the middle. We are cooking.
Repeat. I am reading. Yes. Alex, what are you doing now? Are you working?
I am writing the script. Not finished.
Students, what are you doing now? Not finished. Say, I am studying.
Positive. You understand. My biggest difficulty is to understand a lot of rules about the present continuous. But you, do you have any doubts? Let's practice more together.
Listen, I am reading. We are cooking. Say, I am watching TV. Not finished. Great job.
Lesson 3. Let's see another rule about present continuous. For actions not happening at speaking time, temporary, we use the present continuous. Use present continuous for actions not now but temporary. Example, I am living in a hotel this week. Not forever.
He is working in London this month. Temporary.
I am living.
We use the present continuous when we talk about things happening in a period around now. Example, I am studying English this year. Around now. We use the present continuous when we talk about things happening in a period around now.
We use the present continuous when we talk about changes around now. Example, the weather is getting colder around now. It is changing. Let's memorize. We use the present continuous when we talk about changes around now. Jessica, what are you doing temporary?
I am staying with family this week. Not always.
Students, your turn. Example, I am visiting friends.
Now, what are you doing in a period around now? Say, I am learning English this year.
What is changing around now? Say, my English is getting better around now.
Awesome. You are learning fast. Great question. My biggest difficulty is to understand a lot of rules about the present continuous. But as you explained, it has become easy.
Lesson 4. Let's see now the questions and negatives for present continuous.
Questions. Am is are plus subject plus verb ing. Example, are you eating?
Negative am is are, not plus verb ing. I am not eating.
Listen, is she running? No, she's not. Repeat. Alex, are you listening?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Students, ask yourself, am I happy? Yes.
Good job. No rules are hard now.
Are you eating? I am not. Repeat.
Say, are you studying? Yes, I am. You rock. Lesson 5. Now let's make a review. Relatable examples plus full review includes new uses. Situation happening now. I am talking to you.
In the middle, I am making this podcast. Not finished.
Temporary. I am learning guitar this year.
Use the present continuous when we talk about things happening in a period around now. Example, I am working from home this month.
We use the present continuous when we talk about changes around now. Example, my English is improving around now.
My biggest difficulty is to understand a lot of rules about the present continuous. Your story. Share in comments. Example, my life is changing around now.
Great. You are experts now. Make a sentence with new use. Pause. Say, I am around now. Amazing.
Wow. We finished. You learned present continuous. I am doing. Happening now. In the middle. Temporary. Things happening in a period around now. Changes around now. Questions. Negatives.
Review fast. I am eating. Are you listening? She is not running. We use the present continuous when we talk about changes around now. Good job.
You are so smart. We are proud.
Community question. Why do you think it is important to learn English? Let's see how it is so easy to understand verb continuous. I am doing. Write in comments. We read next time.
Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. See you soon.
Bye. Keep practicing. You can do it. Your English will getting better. See you in the next video class.